Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ke jingkuli ke jingsio ka baret but pila ban legu ban kuli da ke education loan. Pila ru ban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu be kandai pra.
Hak jing rakhie ya jing dap arpsan snam ka seng samla mokhar kalabu akhmat ya thong ban penlong ya jing pensuthu shi samla jo shnong mokhar bat ya shnong ki marjan kumnu ban pelaj nakashrep jong droks hak jing kren bigla pathai ko bor khat sau trek unailar arajar pulai u president ka seng samla mokhar u ba Daniel Singh ai ula ong ba ka seng samla kan sepelong ya jing lang ban pensuthu shi ki para samla hak khat khandai trek mentau benai da jing trelang bat u tensing sering ubadai uway neki Ayurveda practitioner ubalasa han New York bat ubasong basa menta ha mission compound Shillong ban Ïarap iki samla ki belangop how Droks ban penyok biang ya kejing em bethamai tang da kabadi da ki Dawai Kynbat ya kini kejing pencai pet ba kaseng samla kalai trelang bat ka NRE Pageant India Private Limited hapok kejing alam jong presiden uba ransom sutenga bat ka national director ka kong Eldora Lingdok.
Kumsi genta jongka jingki jong dap absen seneng keseng samla mokhar kani kasing jubli jungi ringkat bakal jing trelang bakal NRE Pageant India Private Limited nation ni kasing jam menta mengendra dan pelong ikini ka Drok awareness and solution for the addicts through herbal remedies kaba ning pelong kakak kena trik ubana August arja arpulai hak posh phobuji hang the ko community hall mokhar ti kum kaseng samla ni dap sha taka mensim jing songkhia ban I ki pablok samla jungi ki babon ki ngop hani ki jingdi pembuat limbau drugs bat ni lai kren bat ka company jong I baran som kumjur bikong Eldora kumno ginya le banyarap in ki khon samla bakin lat na kene ka jing kelung ka jing Kyrni jungi kene ki jingdi buat tingi organize khanang kene program hakne ka singi khrang ba mendai tang ki nongsong ni wer ki nongsong snong hapo song hapo do basnong mokhar ba kumjuru ni khos mobhai ki do basnong ki badon hajan jong ka do basnong markhap do basnong mokhar kata ka do basnong mission compound ka wa khabru ka sosun nanta ka wa indo ka samthia ka jaw shap jaw opalan snalin ka jaw light dom ka jaw long sting ba ka jaw pedeng ni kerpat iki ni ki do basnong ro ki pha iki members jongki ki representative jongki nak snong jongki ba kham tam le ba ki penbena ling ba ka tinghung snong jongki khang ba ki nongsong jong tu ki dor bas nong ro ki ba ngop akini jing e be kendo ini jing e kila bangunya sebentalang ha ka program ko jungi bat nakalang jong kasang samlale mi da tentu kerpangi kini kilonggi ki ba mat kini jing e ni sutho ka no ka de sisya ka jing no mensim ka jing diaw ka jing bagi ki syam halim ba kani ka jing kendo la da ki khon ne ki hemen ki para ki jong ki ne ki bahi jong ki ngop ni jing di tidak seling ba kani ka jing wan jong ki sekani ka program kalaban ai ka jing Ïarap biki ma ba kani kam le tang ka drop awareness program re kum ka seng samla mukhar ringkat ba ka NRE Pageant India Private Limited ni persang mon ra ka solution ru kuno ba Ïarap ini ki adik bikin lat ne kani ka jing tham ki jing kwa ni bandi ni drugs mo te kum tai na kala ka seng samla ni organize rang ni ka program mangingit scam mangi kerpat ya ki pat nong song snong badan pok snong mokhar pa komjur ikini ki hindu snong ba ka jiao pelun bakanya wan khanang hani ka sni khang ba nila banyo ka kanong ka ke ban Ïarap ikni ki khun samla ba ki hinmen ki para ki jungi belango pagini ki jingdi buat bagi kerpat limba jung ki media bagi press mo ki sapriang lain ni ko khobor ni mende tang bagi kot tang angin ni invite ru ki we ki ba dan apa kan ka Shillong City mo dari ki don pe kwa bakin wan ni kerpat ki bakin wan lang sa kanika program ni mutu strict tang apa kan ka dom jungi dari ni kot ki bakin wan lang kiri ni besno don kam man wan ni scam ni kerpat ni clear invitation ni invite ki ni don lang ba ni ha kanika por
help our local peoples, upstate peoples, to get rid from the drugs. Because when I came here, I met some from Dawai. So we had a talk and said there are around 4 lakhs of Khasi people, young generations who are consuming drugs. And that was an amazing amount, Before, when I was here, there was no consumption of drugs. Maybe alcohol was there, but drugs, it's so high rates going up in states. So that's why a concept came in me, and I told Gondora that we can do something for the drug addicted people to get rid from the drugs. Because it's not only spoiling your family members, it's spoiling the communities, the settlements, the states, all over the world. It's spoiling our young generations. It's not only spoiling the young generation, it's spoiling our economics. It's spoiling our future, because our future are young generations. So all of those get addicted to drugs, then our future will be zero. No? So that's why I have a program organized by the National Beauty Director of Beauty Pageants and Youth of Mokhar, that I'll help the people who are drug addicted to get rid from the drugs. There are processes we can get them out from drugs. It will take us slow and steady. We can not make them drug addicted, fool them. I mean to say that we cannot make them get rid of drug in one day, but one day we will definitely get rid of drugs available in the market. But those which are not available, then I'll tell you, we have a supplement for that. One is ajwain, which you call it, tried it, and that's the main thing the drug addiction needs to chew it to get rid of the drug. Because this herb, it helps you to get memorized in your brain, because all drug addicted, it affects your brain systems, not like alcohol. Alcohol, you get addicted, it means you get alcohol and within a few hours you get refreshed again. But drug, it only stays in your brain. It spoils your brain systems. So these herbs, which I tell you, the ajwain, it will help to regain your memories. It will take you back to the stage. So this is the one. Ashwagandha, that will help you relax your body, because once you consume your drug, there are lots of things happening in the drug addicted body. You have a nerve pain, you have a gastric problem, you have constipations, you have a stroke, you have brain damage, everything is there. So ashwagandha helps you to get the body relaxed and have a good sleep. Then we have a passion fruit flowers. Passion flowers, it's a fruit, passion fruit. Yeah. Before converting into fruits, it's flower. So we use that flower to detox your body. So we have these three medicine herbs right now that we can use it for get rid of addicted. But it depends on the person, in what stage he is, and his body weight, his height. Compared to that, and they give the amount of how much he needs to consume, or he or she needs to consume that.
Nagaliang jungi ka company NRI Pajan India Private Limited tingiru dagajing Sofia kabensin tingila ya kren berkeseng samla nomor pakane kasnam ta ngirake ya gajing dap arpsan snan jong seng samla bat nagaliang jong ka company ngiru ngia kloy ban dorangkat lani ban kershan hamtam hakbide bakane ka program kumalaong iba Daniel mentan kene program kamli ta awareness henry kadairu kumno ban pensyai ya mo ya solution ban ai ka lat jing ya da ha ka bidai bakane ka bentar hamtam itu belak Kyrni ha ka jing di Droks
habun sian lagani le ka awareness kalau betang ban pensngau syapang ki Droks bagi kena kente bagi kini ki Kiba kente henry hadu menta ngimpat don kata ka solution tinga aingu iblay ba ini parlog jonga ubang ngai kendu ha ka Facebook ulong ko uta mau ko don new dancing sering uday ukpaju uday jajrwa usahan mission la he usan shani ulet class ng St. Anthony's ti hadian katu pada ule ya kani ka competition hapo ka hadian katu ule ka competition kadai ka world chef competition ti ula yo ya ka gold medal. He's in fact hagajing shisha ude ula along na world celebrity. Di hadian kato ula yo ngatry to interview ki bahashwa flei ula yo uputin pada na porosha invite you as his personal chef. Di ula try uputin la Arsenal. Hadian kata pada ngala poish po America continue pada hagajing puli jo haka Ayurveda. Udon shubun ki parlok ki jung ki bahasa shani shapo shani sha shalom ki ba bahai ki henrei ki bun ki yap namarba ki long addicted either to alcohol or drugs, and he himself also hiru day ba addict he te hadian ke jing puli ke jung pada hapo ayurveda ki don ki certificates ki jung te practice sathi but ulalich kini ki rehab center ki bubun ki bubun ki rio fila yo ki pelat nga kanika jing di drugs kini ki rehab center te dena kata kadau offer yala dia wala udon sathi mereka ka concern ke jong ka mission ke jong ka ba ukwa banwan sini kolong ba unla banwan ra ke Ïarap na benta ka ri ki jung te kini kilong ki mau koridor ki ba le se bun na pedang jungi ki dang sikiwei ki jaka ki ba ki ka ba ki lan ki kwa ban contribute sila ka jong ka ri namar ki dang it ya sinong ka ba ki he kisan no te na kata ka daw long ni aingu yu blei long ba udan lang ni ula ban ai ni kata ka jingi kai kumno ki herbs ki bangi ni la ban grind hi un sale ka demonstration ru ha tu sini un demonstrate kumno bo un grind ka no gram kumno bandi depend ha utu nong di drops la di drops ko mas post nam ne sans nam ne te ka no ka quantity ban ayu te nang to pada un iru ki herbs ki balong available ha po market ka ba fila ban yo easily te nganget scam kan long ka jingkor khu ya ka shalong hi parok ko but nganget scam ban ila ban tie up but ki district bu subo ka riboy district ko giant hills su ha ka ba ngila ban plat ya ki brio ki jungi na kan ni ka jing sha te sha ko mo drugs